Hi, Airbnb people. So, my name is Brett, and my wife's name is Deanna. When we started this thing, we knew nothing about real estate, nothing about business, and took the course. Still refer to it. It's a great course. Our first month was $900. Our first month. The things that you learn on the Airbnb course, things like automation, things like tricks, just things you wouldn't even think of that are in the scheme of things. Software, low-tech things that you would just put on your whatever doors and so on to help people out. Things that pertain to automation within the house, like turning on the lights, getting motion detectors, and so on. Wonderful, wonderful things. Now, each of our listing is profiting about $1,300 each listing. That's per month. Working on new property, we are always learning to monetize things, learning what Nathan teaches in the course is how to think, how to make your mind think of business, profiting in other areas. And you're going to see that this is going to lead to other things in your life. But check it out. Our profit on our new listing that we are moving along in is going to be $2,600 per month. And it's going to profit me, well, it has already profited me more than 81 times the cost of the course. The next property that we are already establishing is going to be around $2,600. I think I said that already. And it's going to completely replace my income so I can retire. And so it's a no-brainer. Highly recommended. Thanks for listening.